Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about two very important houses in your birth chart. That is 5th house and 11th house, which is linked with your past life, which is linked with your, you can say कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें घटित होती हैं जो जिसको आप कभी इमेजिनेट नहीं करते. You know, sometimes few people enter in your life without any relationship, without any friendship, but they become your friends and they will show a lot of help and they will show a lot of helping hand or helping nature for you. Because if your 5th house lord placed in 11th house, if your 5th house lord placed with 9th house, if your 5th or 11th mutual change with each other, like if your 11th lord is in 5th and 5th lord is in 11th, believe me, you will definitely get in touch with those friends who are connected with your past life. Like आप पिछले जन्म के जो आपके दोस्त थे वो आपको इस जन्म में मिलेंगे. If you have a Mahadasha of 5th lord and that planet placed in your 11th house, you check your birth chart, you open your birth chart, you check your placement of the 5th house lord, which is if that placed in 11th house in good position, and you can check your closest friend birth chart, the same position you will check. Like your friend will definitely have 1 or 2 planets in your 11th house, and that friend will show a lot of sympathy, lot of help and lot of guidance throughout your life, because this is a connection of your past janma. 11th house play a major role in birth chart because it is a house of materialistic gains, spiritual gains. It is a house of elder siblings. It is a house of fulfillment of dreams and wishes. It is also house of spirituality. It is also house of your intuitions. It is also house of, if you say something to someone, like if you predict something to someone, you will see your prediction will get correct. The reason you have a strong 11th house, or your first lord is in 11th, or your 5th lord is in place 11th. So guys, 11th house play a major role in your life in the terms of materialistic gains, in the terms of spirituality, in the terms of religion, in the terms of support from family or higher authority, in the terms of support of your elder siblings. I have seen lot of birth chart where elder siblings support a lot to our younger siblings. The reason, they are connected with last janam, past janam, because 5th lord plays in 11th house. You may met that type of people in your life which is connected with your last janam, because you have a Mahadasha of 5th lord which is placed in your 11th house. And that is true, that is fact. I am researching on it from last few years, so I calculate the things. 11th house and 5th house play a major role in the terms of your fulfillment of wishes, desire, and your connection with those people who are linked with in your past life. यानी पिछले जन्म में जो आपके साथ आपके दोस्त, दुश्मन, जो भी सराउंडिंग थी, वो इस जन्म में भी आपके साथ कहीं ना कहीं घूम फिर कर ज़िंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं आपको कोई ना कोई ऐसे दोस्त मिलेंगे या ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जिनके साथ आपका पिछले जन्म का कोई ना कोई कनेक्शन होगा, अगर आपका 11th हाउस स्ट्रॉन्ग है. और अगर आपके 5th हाउस का लॉर्ड 11th में जाकर बैठ गया है, फिर तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट दोस टाइप ऑफ पीपल हु आर गेट इन टच फ्रॉम द लास्ट जन्म, पास्ट जन्म इन योर लाइफ. So I mean to say, astrology play a big role. Astrology is a biggest research, you know. So the way I am researching the things, that is totally different, because I am not depending on the books. I am depending in the practical astrology. So I saw a lot of birth chart, and I suggest you, like if you have a 5 friends or 7 friends in your circle, and you can check your birth chart first. If you have any planet in your 11th house, and then you check your old friends' birth chart. 1 or 2 friends, they will definitely have 1 or 2 planets in your 11th house, and they are very helpful. They show very sympathy with you. They are very supporting hand for you in your hard time, because they are connected with your past janam. So guys, we need to know where is our 5th lord placed, or which type of position we have 11th lord in our birth chart. If we have a strong 11th house lord, like 11th lord is in 5th and 5th lord is in 11th, believe me, you will did a lot of good deeds in your past janma, which will give you fantastic results in this janma. If your 11th house lord plays in if your 5th house lord plays in 11th house, believe me, you will be sky high, you will be top, and you will be connected with those people who are always good for you, who are always helpful for you, and who are always connected with your past janma. That maybe your parents, maybe your siblings, they are connected with your past janam. But in the terms of friends, because 5th house and 11th house is a main role in the terms of social circle, networking system, or friends. So your friends will connected with your past life if you have a strong 5th house lord plays in 11th house, or 11th house lord plays in 5th house. You must check this type of placement of 5th lord in your birth chart. Keep watching my videos, and I'm praying for your happy future. Enjoy your life. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.